everybody, and welcome back to SparkofVintage. My name is Cindy. I am the owner and head treasure hunter here, and I just got fresh from the mailbox my Flippin Frenzy box from Amanda at Chickadee Cottage Creations. I couldn't wait to tell you. I'm going upstairs right now to unbox it, so come on, let's go see what we got for the Flippin Frenzy Challenge. For this time around, I sent to Sylvia at Backyard Brushes. Sylvia is a very accomplished artist and small business owner, and she does some very unique projects with the items she's received. I can't wait to see what she's done with what we sent to her. And this time around, I received from Amanda at Chickadee Cottage Creation. Amanda is such a gifted artist and so talented, and she took such great care of us this time around. I can't wait to show you the unboxing. Well, my first impression when I got the package was not only that it was heavy, but I was super impressed with how well Amanda packs and how much stuff she crammed into this box this time around. I had so much fun unpacking all of this and looking at all of these incredible garden-themed goodies that she sent our way. Some of these items are a little bit challenging, and so it really got my creativity flowing as I was thinking, what could I possibly do to make these over, to make them cohesive and also kind of take them from one level to the next level. Well, I am absolutely in love with this silver-plated pitcher, and so I really am trying to decide if I want to do anything with that one or not. Our little bird is so adorable, and he took a little bit of a chippy hit, but I think I can fix the tail and transform him into something amazing. Doing tin makeovers is always so much fun because it's usually a pretty dramatic transformation. So I'm excited to try this one. And then, oh, this beautiful teak wood cheese dish. I hope I can do it justice. Well, Amanda sent me some incredible items. So I hope that you'll come back and join us on April 22nd and 23rd for the Flipping Frenzy Challenge, where all of the Sonnet Garden Bloomers will be receiving their boxes and flipping over their items for some incredible makeovers. Stay tuned and we'll see you soon.